This meat thermometer comes in a really giftable box, but more importantly, this thing is super easy to hold in your hand to actually read off of its really big display. I like that a lot. Any button will turn it on. So you've got 3 buttons on this. You've got the power button. You've got clearly the light button at the top, so you can turn on the light or off. And then the bottom button will change between Fahrenheit and Celsius. So let's see how quickly it goes, because this thing is super rapid. 2 seconds, and I'll just show. Hopefully you'll be able to see. 2 seconds, and you get a read. Let's see how it changes. Look how quickly that changes. That is wild. And then if I let go, it goes back down. Instant, obviously. It is waterproof, super easy to, of course, go inside any type of meat that you'd want to. Very easy to hold. Like I said before, you've got a nice little grip. Right out of the box, it comes with the battery in here. So right out of the box, it's working. There's no fuss, no fiddling around looking for some batteries. Everything is in there. And on top of that, to finish off and to top it off, the back is magnetized, so you can magnetize and literally stick it on your barbecue, on your fridge, on your oven. You're good to go. This thing is great.